Hello everyone, and welcome to Delph Stack. If your Android phone is holding back your text messages or emails and only delivering them in large batches when you unlock your screen, it is almost always caused by aggressive battery optimization or background data restrictions. I will show you exactly how to adjust these system settings so you receive your alerts instantly. Let's get started. First, modern Android systems try to save power by putting background apps to sleep, which directly pauses incoming notifications until you open the app again. To stop this, open your Settings app and navigate to the Apps section. Tap on See All Apps and find the specific application that is delaying your alerts, like WhatsApp or Gmail. Tap on the app, select App Battery Usage, tap on See All Apps and find the specific application that is delaying your alerts, like WhatsApp or Gmail. Tap on the app, select App Battery Usage or simply Battery, and change the setting from Optimized to Unrestricted. Just keep in mind that doing this for too many apps can slightly reduce your daily battery life, but it ensures your chosen app is always awake to receive critical messages. Next, if your app is awake but still not notifying you, it might be strictly blocked from using the internet while running in the background. Stay on that exact same app information page from the previous step and tap on Mobile Data and Wi-Fi or Data Usage. Look for the toggle switch labeled Background Data and make sure it is completely on. If you see an additional option for unrestricted data usage, turn that on as well. This guarantees the application has permission to download new text payloads silently in the background, even if you currently have Android's system-wide data saver mode active. Finally, if multiple different apps are missing notifications all at once, your global system battery manager is likely throttling your entire device. Go back to your main settings menu and tap on Battery. Look for Battery Saver and make sure it is turned off, as this mode automatically halts all background syncing to preserve power. Then look for a menu called Adaptive Preferences or More Battery Settings, which vary slightly depending on your phone manufacturer. Toggle off the Adaptive Battery feature. This helps prevent your phone from randomly pausing your apps, completely resolving those massive notification delays. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.